does, and this is just kind of a torture test. Basically, I hit 343 shots to see if it would go down first or me, and well, it won. But because, yeah, I wore out, that's for sure. So, yeah, I stayed up late. It works good. It's got some great things about it. The hardware is really, really good. Okay, hey, I got the square in. I'm trying to test it all out and see what works and what doesn't. You know what I mean? So, pitching wedge. Garmin centered a little bit right. And this one just faded off right, but it was down the line. So our distances are 91.3 on total compared to 105. So yeah, the Garmin's about 14 yards longer. I don't know what's going on there. But then the Garmin is sitting there with a red flashing light going right now, okay? So that's the Garmin flashing red. It does it all the time now. I just gave up on it. So something's definitely going on here. And I don't think it's that machine. I think it's the Garmin's crazy. Fade. Okay, let's see. Miles per hour. Ball speed 79.6 and the Garmin's 82.6. So the Garmin's about 3 miles per hour faster on that ball speed. I don't know why that is, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, right now it plays good as far as machine operating. The Bluetooth is the best Bluetooth I've ever seen. You come on and it's like boom, instant. The thing you're gonna find out, guys, is you don't need a big gaming computer to run this. You can play it on your phone, as far as that goes, because it plays through a server, kind of like Awesome Golf does. Kind of what they do. They play through a server like that. So you don't have a lot of control over things that way. That's the thing about that. So what I do like is how hardcore it is. I mean, it's a nice, solid piece. It does not miss. It picks up everything. I trust the numbers. I really do. And I'm used to a Garmin that, well, now guys, my Garmin is a little bit of an issue. I have to explain that. We're testing this thing against my Garmin, and my Garmin's, well, it's got 5-pound weight up against the side of it, so it will work. Y'all ready? I spent 4 hours to get that thing to quit flashing red, green. And the only way I could get it to stop was putting my hand or that weight in front of it. And it ain't got nothing to do with the cabinet. I can take it out and put it on the floor. I've set it right there. I set it there. I turn the air conditioner off. I reset everything over there. Nope. Doesn't matter what I do. It's working perfect right now. But for some reason that weight's got to be on that side and kind of blocking that corner. And I don't know what it's doing. I put my hand there and it started flashing green solid. And I went, what in the world's going on? I've seen a Garmin do a little of everything. Some strange stuff with interference and stuff. But see this 5-pound weight? Okay. I got a solid green flashing light. The machine says waiting right over there behind me. I'm gonna move its weight. You see a solid red light? And then green, and then red, and then green. Yeah, that's strange, isn't it? Look at this. Yeah, strange. So, watch this. I'm gonna show you what I learned when I was messing around with it here a minute ago. Okay, now here, check it out. Air conditioning's coming on and off, don't care. Watch. I'm gonna take my hand, I'm gonna reach in here and I'm gonna put it right there. I'm not touching it, I'm about 1.5 inches away from it. Air conditioning unit running, solid green flashing light, and it's working. And it would pick up perfect. But if I move my hand away, it goes into berserk. So, I was trying to find a way to get around it to make it work. So I could get it to work. So I put this weight right there. And you let it kind of block that corner. And don't ask me why, but for some reason it makes it work. Yeah, it won't run without a 5-pound weight up against it. So yeah. Yeah, my Garmin's not a really good one to be balancing off of. So I'm going to take it to my son's, go to his simulator. He's got a Garmin in it. I'll set it up right there and I'm just going to try it out and see how it runs against his Garmin. In a different room, and you know, because I got my Garmin pretty optimized for this room, and all of my interferences are all blocked, and Garmin's about 3 miles per hour faster than this, and I don't know why. I'm trying to figure that out, but it may be where it's registering or something, or maybe the Garmin's, I don't know. I don't have a clue. But I'm looking at a constant about 3 miles per hour difference between the two. So as far as angle, a shape, a shot, and spin, all that, I mean, I'm really happy with what it does. I mean, so all I'm looking for is a connector to get it to go to GS Pro. That's the honest truth. That's what I'm at right now with it. So, yeah, it's a nice piece of hardware. It needs a nice piece of software to make it go. That's the way I'm going to look at it, okay? While y'all in here, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button and that little bell over there so you get notifications so you'll know when I'm going to do another video. Because, well, I'm going to try to do things like YouTubers are supposed to instead of like, you know, blue-collar guys just make a video. I mean, we don't know all them little details. We just get facts out. So, yeah, I made facts. Okay, I'm trying to get that for you. So, yeah, y'all be good. Take care of yourselves. And I'll see you then. Yeah, next time. Okay?